Teamwork.com is a comprehensive project management and collaboration tool designed to help teams manage projects, tasks, and communication efficiently. Whether you're managing small projects or large-scale workflows, Teamwork.com offers various features to streamline project execution. Here's how to get started with Teamwork.com. Create an account. Visit Teamwork.com and sign up for a free or paid account. Follow the onboarding process to set up your workspace. Create a new project. Click the plus new project button to create a new project. Name your project and define the relevant details, such as client, due dates, and permissions. Add team members. Invite team members to collaborate on your projects by adding them to specific roles. You can assign them to tasks or grant them access to the entire project. Organize tasks. Add tasks to the project using the Add Task button. Set due dates, assign owners, and categorize them into different lists or milestones. Use milestones and schedules. Divide the project into milestones and assign timelines to keep your team on track. You can visualize this timeline using Teamwork's Gantt chart feature. Collaborate and communicate. Share files, leave comments, and communicate with your team through the discussion feature on tasks or projects. Integrate with tools like Slack or Google Drive for seamless communication. Track time. Use the built-in time tracking feature to monitor the time spent on tasks and projects. You can generate time reports for billing or internal analysis. Generate reports. Create detailed reports on project progress, resource allocation, and performance. These insights can help you refine your project management approach. Integrate with other tools. Connect Teamwork.com with other apps like Trello, Dropbox, and QuickBooks to enhance your workflow and manage data efficiently.